So, something very exciting is happening. Ach so, ach ja, da guckt er durch die Tür. Gut, danke. Because the other two people arrived and we are now heading over. Our apartment is there and it's a coincidence that their apartment is just 4 house numbers further west or so, I don't know, this is west. Ja. Na?
Herzlich willkommen in Milan.
Yeah, and this is my parents. It's sightseeing day, and the Italian guy, we called him Giovanni, Alberto, he said the church with Bramante's optical illusion is San Satiro, very near the Duomo, and we are. I guess that's Duomo, I don't know.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes, Duomo. Maria Nascenti. Mariae Nascenti. Let's go there. Let's find out. What is that guy name again?
Alfredo, Alberto.
Alberto, okay.
But this is not that's the Duomo, we want to see the things first. We figured it out.
Zusammen, alles zusammen.
Wir machen ein Foto. Foto. Achso. Ich mache einen Screenshot. Smile. We found the entrance a bit difficult, but it's from the main road. We were walking at the back first because it looks like more entrance, but it's a bit hidden. Found it. This thing here, from here, looks like as if it's like a few more meters. But from the side, you can see it's actually just a flat wall. Nicely done. Not bad. I didn't see it at first because I was expecting something, a painting or picture or so, which is a picture, yeah. But this is, yeah, not bad. It looks like a bigger than it is, but only from the entrance. Let's see what's happening. Oh, just the light that goes on. I expected a light show or so, but yeah. Church of Santa Maria, check mark. So, time for Duomo visit. Time for Duomo?
Yep. Let's go. I'm excited to see what's inside.
Okay, we just found out that entrance, exit. I need to buy a ticket. Price €32 per person. 16 for the Tyrese kids and all. So we decided not to go because we don't want to spend €128 for the 4 of us for this. Okay, cost all money inside and maintenance and all this, but not €32. My mom wants to see this thing.
Ja, unbedingt. Das sieht schon mal beeindruckend aus. Mal gucken, was kommt.
So that's the place for the people with the bigger wallet. Is this correct?
Yeah. I have big wallet, as big as bag.
But it's empty.
Yeah. Now you can put some money here. Always welcome.
Yeah, we are open for donation. Wie beeindruckt bist du?
Ja, es ist sehr schön. Es ist sehr voll, leider. Aber was nützt es einem, wenn man morgens um 7 hier ist? Wenn die Leute noch schlafen. Kann man selber nicht mehr schlafen. Schade eigentlich.
Galleria Vittorio Emanuela II. Also, is the name of that place. I just figured out from Google. Is recording? Yeah. So, to right. That's also done. That's all. Wedding photos. So that's also done. Question for pizza. I got the answer. Pizzeria Spontini. So they have the original branch is a bit far for us now. For that, because they're closing at 3 and opening at 6, we don't want to eat that late. So maybe we go to the original place tomorrow. But there's another branch here nearby where we will head. Where we go now. That way. That's a place. Hey. We decided not to go here because it's an imbiss. We want to sit and eat the pizza. Not rushing like imbiss. It's nah. So we go somewhere else. My wife wants ice cream, my dad wants coffee, and my mom probably something else. I don't know. I hope that this is also up to Alberto's standard. Sorry, Alberto. But no Spontini today, okay? Tomorrow. The food is good here. The pizza was surprisingly good. And now it's for Nelly, it's the second ice cream. Oops.
Pistachio und Nocciola, aber ich habe keine Idee, was ist Nocciola. Ja.
What's going on?
Something very, very special. Oh, thank you very, very much. Thank you. Grazie. Oh, wow. This is special from the person who made this. This handsome guy make this beautiful ice cream. It's super, super yummy. Oh, really good.
Italians, what's going on? Starbucks in Italia? How does that work? And it was full. It was. Even my dad is speechless about Starbucks here in Italia. Yeah. We are waiting for the ladies. Shopping. Ice cream was good. Yeah. So we are heading back to our apartment now. I will continue my journey tomorrow after the lunch. Yeah, it's lunch or it's at dinner. Lunch pizza that our Italian friend Alberto, let's call him now Alberto, recommended. And my wife will stay here with my parents. This pizza also looks quite good. I think it's fast food pizza, which I don't like.